Welcome to Oceanliner Quiz Hub, your history quiz channel to all things maritime. Today, let's test our knowledge of ocean liner design comparison with 25 questions and just 8 seconds to answer each. But before we begin, we ask that you consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell to stay updated with our quizzes, testing your knowledge of iconic vessels. Now, let's dive in to see how well you know about ocean liners. First question, which material was common for deck planks? Teak, pine, or oak? Teak, durable, weather-resistant wood. What navigational aid became essential? Compass, radar, or sextant? Radar, modern collision avoidance. Which liner pioneered streamlined design? Bremen, Rex, or Normandy? Normandy, aesthetic aerodynamic form. What innovation improved propeller efficiency? Scimitar, controllable or fixed? Controllable, adjustable blade pitch. 5. Which ship had the most luxurious suites? Queen Mary, Titanic, or Normandy? Normandy, pinnacle of onboard extravagance. What safety feature addressed fire spread? Zones, alarms, or doors? Zones, divided ship into sections. Which early liner used propeller propulsion? Archimedes, Savannah, or Britannia? Archimedes, pioneering screw propeller. What design minimized vibration? Mounts, dampers, or resilient? Resilient, absorbed engine oscillations. Which ship first featured an indoor squash court? Olympic, Aquitania, or Empress of Ireland? Olympic, early recreational facility. 10. What was the common material for interior walls? Wood, plaster, or steel? Wood. Traditional decorative finish. Well done, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Which bow design cut through waves best? Clipper, raked, or straight? Raked. Improved seakeeping ability. What system provided fresh water? Desalination, tanks, or wells? Desalination, onboard water production. Which ship first had an onboard telephone system? Baltic, Oceanic, or Kaiser Wilhelm II? Kaiser Wilhelm II, early communication convenience. What safety improvement protected against capsizing? Ballast, watertight, or subdivisions? Watertight, prevented water ingress. 15. Which deck was typically open to passengers? Boat, promenade, or Sunday? Promenade. Walking and leisure area. What material was popular for ship interiors post-World War II? Laminate, plastic, or aluminum? Laminate. Durable, modern surface. Which ship first had air conditioning in cabins? France, Andrea Doria, or United States? United States. Enhanced passenger comfort. What design feature improved docking? Anchors, rudders, or thrusters? Thrusters. Maneuvering in port. Which liner had the largest dining saloon? Olympic, Queen Mary, or Lusitania? Queen Mary. Grand communal eating space. 20. What was the primary structural material for bulkheads? Steel, wood, or iron? Steel. Strong fire barrier. Like and subscribe. Which stern type allowed for multiple propellers? Square, counter, or canoe? Counter. Accommodated multiple shafts. What system distributed heat on board? Hot water, electric, or steam? Steam. Early central heating. Which ship first featured a movie theater? Rotterdam, Rex, or Empress of Britain? Rex. Onboard entertainment venue. What innovation reduced noise in passenger areas? Insulation, carpeting, or padding? Insulation. Sound dampening material. Final question. Which ship first used transverse stability tanks? Bismarck, Vaterland, or Imperator? Imperator. Reduced rolling at sea. And that's the end of today's quiz. How did you do? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your score below. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in the next quiz. Bye-bye.